encyclopedia. A scholar's mistake, centuries ago, now blooming in fungus and orchids. The rain, by the way, is warm. Not cold. It slides down the back of your neck like the whisper of something old remembering your name. And as you duck under a particularly low branch, because of course it waits until the last second to slap you, you spot the first real sign. Not a map. Not a trail marker. A feather. Bright blue, tipped in scarlet, it's wedged between two knotted roots as if it simply grew there. And not some sad, molting thing, no, this feather gleams like it's been oiled with sunlight. You pick it up. It hums. Not with sound, but with pressure. Like the air shifts slightly when it's near your hand. You turn it over. No obvious writing. Just the impossible fact of it. That's when you hear it, distant and strange. A series of echoing squawks. Not chaotic, not random. Rhythmic. Almost ceremonial. Somewhere above you, parrots are chanting. You squint up through the green rain, trying to find them, and that's when you realize, there are no other birdsongs. Just the parrots. Everything else is quiet. Too quiet. Even the insects seem to be listening. And here's where things get weird. You step forward, feather in hand, and the ground shifts under your boot. Not mud. Not vines. Stone. Carved, square, deliberate. You crouch, brush away leaves and moss, and there it is. A tiled surface. Worn with time, but unmistakably geometric. A buried road. Historians still argue whether jungle cities were really so well planned, or whether the forest just makes things look orderly when it digests them. But here it is, unmistakable, a stone path that doesn't belong in the middle of nowhere. And it's not alone. You stand and trace the line with your eyes. The path curves, dips slightly, then rises toward what looks, barely, like the outline of stairs. The forest is reclaiming them, of course. Roots twist over the edges. But stone is stubborn. This was once an entrance.